it's not like there's ever a bad time to visit Walt Disney World. There's always something going on, festivals, family reunions, celebrations, and more. But if you've been waiting for something big, I mean really big, this just might be it. Pam Forrester with the Magic for Less Travel knows how to do Disney right. The Food and Wine Festival is going to be starting soon, but you want us to kind of look ahead to something else, something that's golden, right? Because they have a 50th anniversary coming up. What is planned for this, Pam?
I know. This is the celebration that we're all going to want to attend. So it starts October 1st, and Disney is celebrating their 50th anniversary. It's hard to believe it's been 50 years of Disney magic. But this is going to run for a full 18 months. So you have a lot of time to get there and celebrate the world's most magical celebration at Walt Disney World.
And I'm sure there's a lot planned, but I'm going to ask you a very Pittsburgh question. Are there going to be fireworks?
I know. Us Pittsburghers love our fireworks,
exactly,
right? And
yeah.
Disney knows, yeah, it's like the cherry on top of the sundae, right? It's the perfect way to end a day in the theme parks. And Disney has not just one new fireworks show, but two fireworks shows. One's going to be taking place in the Magic Kingdom, and it's called Disney Enchantment. It will include special lighting, laser effects, the Disney music we all know and love, and there will be projections too that extend from Main Street all the way to the castle. In addition, Epcot is debuting a really fantastic show that again includes fireworks and water fountains and water effects, and it is the largest nighttime spectacular ever created for a Disney park. So these are two great excuses to get down for the celebration.
Yeah, you know, when Disney does something, they always do it right. So, I mean, you're the expert on this. If you're going to go down, how do you make sure that you can really take it all in? How do you plan for that?
Yeah, I know. There's so many things to see and do. You're sort of wondering, how do I get the most of my vacation? The good news is our agents have been doing this for over 20 years. And we're one of the top agencies in the country selling Disney destinations. And we're located right here in the North Hills of Pittsburgh, so you can take advantage of that. We've sort of done and seen it all. We've stayed at all the resorts. We've eaten at all the restaurants. We've done everything there is to do inside and out of the park. So you can sort of think of us as like that friend who gives you all the tips and insider information to make sure your vacation goes off without a hitch. And the other thing is that our services don't cost you anymore. So it's our job to sort of lead you through this process. We're there to help you get the best planning and the best price for your vacation.
And before we let you go, I want to ask you about the Food and Wine Festival, because I know it's starting soon and it's going to run through this fall, right?
It is. So it starts July 15th, which is surprisingly just a week away, and it will run all the way through November. So you actually have the opportunity to experience some of the 50th things and the Food and Wine Festival too.
Yeah, a twofer, if you will. All right.
Yes, exactly.
You always get us excited to go to Disney, Pam. It's fun to talk to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, our thanks to Pam Forrester with the Magic for Less Travel for all of her incredible Disney insight. Again, the 50th anniversary celebration is going to begin this October.